Cypher is a declarative query language that you can use to interact with a Neo4j graph database. Declarative languages are different to general purpose programming languages, as you need to describe what you want to happen, not how you want to do it. So this graph contains nodes and relationships for movies, actors, directors, genres, and user ratings. And this Cypher statement will find every single person node in the database. So each of these nodes has properties containing data. You can also filter for specific results, including a name property, such as Tom Hanks. And you can select a node to view its properties and relationships. For example, Tom Hanks has this acted-in relationship to all of these different movie nodes. You can also match relationships in your data. So this statement finds all the people who acted in the movie Toy Story. Now you can see all the people nodes that have the acted-in relationship to the movie node. And if you express specific properties, you can return all of this data as a table. Patterns are how you describe data in Cypher and look like this. Patterns use an ASCII art style syntax with nodes expressed in parentheses, including properties or labels. An arrow and square brackets show relationships. The nodes and relationships are assigned variables. So this pattern represents nodes with a label of person that have the acted-in relationship to a node with a label of movie. You can also include properties in your patterns, such as the name of an actor. If you want to find the specific nodes and relationships in your data, such as the movies directed by Steven Spielberg, then you're going to use the match clause alongside a pattern and then return the results. Patterns can also contain multiple relationships and properties. So let's find all of the people who have acted in those movies by adding this relationship to our pattern. And then let's also return it as a table. To write new data to your graph, use the merge clause. So this pattern creates a new node with the label movie and the title property Jaws. Let's also set a new property, the year it was released. You can also use merge to create a new relationship. So this statement creates a movie node, a user node, and a rated relationship between them. So merge uses the pattern to identify any existing data before creating new nodes or relationships. So if I run this query now, it won't make a duplicate of the Jaws node. Instead, it finds existing nodes and then creates a new relationship between them. To learn more about how you can read and write data using patterns in Cypher, check out the Graph Academy course, Cypher Fundamentals.